Hello, people! So, today marks as the first day of heavy snowing in north of Sweden, and I'm just going outside to my office and I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go! And we are ready to go. I'm so excited because we were waiting for snow for a long time because it was so dark here, and finally it's a time. Let's experience it together. Oops. Oh no. So this time I'm a bit unprepared while I'm going for my office because I thought how bad it would be, and now this is the case. Okay, this is going to be bad. Oh shit. Oh no. I should have worn my snow jacket, but no, I chose to wear this jacket. Okay, I don't think I'll be able to vlog because I can't even walk. I can't walk. Oh god. I think it's a snowstorm. I think it's a snowstorm. It looks bad. So bad. You can look at me. Oh shit. I think it's a challenge to go to office today. I don't know why I came. I think we all know those kind of people who are just so unprepared all the time, and that's me. When it's raining, I don't have raincoat. When it's snowing, I don't have winter coat nor even a gloves. So calm down. But I'm enjoying it. It's really nice. Can't hold my phone anymore, but yeah, it's fun. Have been living here for 3 years now, but still can't check the weather while coming outside. Shit. It's a winterland. Oops, I just slipped. Shit. I love it. You know what? What is strange is 3 years ago, if I would have come outside और मुझे पता चलता कि snowstorm आया हुआ है, then मुझे ऐसा लगता है I would be so nervous. I would be running to office too fast as I can. पर अभी क्योंकि इतना टाइम हो गया है, I feel so great about snow. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जनरली इतना डार्क रहता है, एंड देन स्नो आती है तो एकदम से सब कुछ वाइट वाइट और ब्राइट होने लगता है, तो इट्स जस्ट अ हैप्पी टाइम राइट नाउ फॉर मी. They are trying to clean the roads but failing apparently because of course cleaning. And we are here. It was tough. It was tough today to walk in snow, but it was nice.